Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. Today I have some Twangerz different flavored salts that we're going to give a try to. There's pickle punch, lemon lime, mango chili, chili lime, and lime. So these are pretty sweet looking. So I'm going to give these a try and we're going to taste them and see how we're doing. Hope you like my patriotic shirt today. Let's see how these taste. I've tried a few of these in the past, but I figured, okay, I got to get these and try them for myself here. So this is lime. So let's see, how do we open this? So let's see how the lime tastes. I guess I need to got a cover on it here. So this is just straight lime flavor. So let's see what lime tastes like. Wow! That's totally awesome. It tastes totally like lime. Woo! That's good. I'm gonna try the chili lime. That lime one, it really does taste like it's got total, it's just like, it's really limey. It's got a lot of lime. More lime than salt, I think, flavor. So I'm excited to try this. One I tried before was a pickle one and it was so cool, but let's see. Oh. Ooh, chili lime. I'm gonna try a little bit more of that. That was just a tiny bit. Well, it's got the spice of the chili. It tastes kind of like taco seasoning. Very chili, delicious. Man, that's awesome. These are so sweet. They're pretty inexpensive. I got like 10 pack of them. These will probably last a long time too. So let's see, this is mango chili. I'm usually not a fan of mangoes, but let's see, mango chili salt. I wish I could somehow have you taste them, but this is the way the review has to just be me tasting them. But I'll tell you how they taste. That chili one was very chili. It was more chili than lime. That one didn't have as much lime flavor as that first one. That first one was totally lime. So let's see what mango chili is here. And it came with, you see all the different ones. Oh, it's kind of cool. It's got sweet and the salt to it. I guess that's what the mango does, is it gives it the sweetness. Ooh, that was good. And now we're gonna try the lemon lime. Tell you how this one is here in a sec. So this one's lemon lime. Wow. I taste the lime and I taste the lemon, so it's got the tartness of the lime and the lemon. It's really good. Man, these are delicious. So I guess if you're into like taking shots of tequila or something like that, these would be perfect. These are really good. Probably a better way to open it. Now this one here's the pickle punch. Pickle punch. So I got, it came with 10 little canisters, so pretty good. I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can buy them and try them yourself. Tell me what you think. Let's see the pickle one here. And this one, it's totally dill pickle. Amazing. Twangerz. So now I have the 5 here, and then I have 5 more. So I'm gonna take these to my house in Florida and leave these in the house here, and hopefully they'll be here when I get back next week. But these are freaking delicious. We have Twangerz, awesome, and they're pretty inexpensive, and you get, I got 2 sets, you can buy them, I think, with just like 4 different ones, but man, I like all the flavors, so I'm keeping them all. So that's why I want to get the one with the most choices. But be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and the link is in the description. So try them for yourself, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, bye.